Hop, Humulus lupulus, a member of the Cannabaceae family, is an herb that was traditionally used to provide relaxation, sedation and treat insomnia. This perennial climbing vine is native to Europe, Western Asia and North America. Being a temperate European plant, hops is grown in Czech Republic, Poland, England and Germany. It is also found in the United States, South America and Australia. Apart from hops, it is also known as Asperge Sauvage, common hops, Couleuvrée Septentrionale, European hops, hop Strobile, Hopfenzapfen, Houblon, Humulus lupulus, Lupuli Strobulus, Lupulin, Lúpulo, Jiu Hua, Salsepareille Indigène and Vigne du Nord. Hops are actually a female inflorescences of the plant Humulus lupulus L. They are used mostly in beer brewing to add bitterness and flavor. Hops are also used as an herbal medicine for mood disturbance and insomnia and to treat menopausal symptoms. Hop is a dioecious, rhizomatous, vigorous, twining perennial, herbaceous climbing vine or plant that grows about 7 meters tall. The plant is found growing in woodland garden sunny edge, dappled shade, shady edge and hedgerow and normally grows in average, medium moisture, well-drained soils. It also prefers moist, rich soils, but has some tolerance for drought as well. It has stout and perennial root systems. Stem is of a twining nature, reaching a great length, flexible and very tough, angled and prickly, with a tenacious fiber. Opposite leaves are up to 6 inch long and 4 inch across. Smaller leaves are usually oval cordate in shape, but larger leaves are palmate with 3 lobes, rarely with 5. These leaves have a rough texture and coarse serration along the margins. They are medium green or yellowish green on their upper surfaces, and whitish green below. The long petioles are light green or light tan, stout, and prickly bristly. At the base of each petiole is a pair of lanceolate stipules. Flowers are dioecious, that is male and female flowers are on separate plants. The male flowers are in loose bunches or panicles, 3 to 5 inches long. The female flowers are in leafy cone-like catkins, called strobiles. When fully developed, the strobiles are about 1 1/4 inch long, oblong in shape and rounded, consisting of a number of overlapping, yellowish-green bracts, attached to a separate axis. Flowering normally takes place from July to August. The fruit of the female plant is called strobiles and resemble small pine cones. When fully ripened, the strobiles measure about 1 1/4 - 2 inches long, in a rounded, oblong shape with a number of overlapping, yellowish-green bracts, attached to a separate central point containing a small fruit, acne, at the base. Both the bracts and acon contain the bitter principle lupulin, which gives hops its tonic qualities. Strobiles are typically collected in September to October with the seeds dried for use in the manufacture of beer. Flowers emit a pine-like fragrance and are attractive to butterflies. The 5 varieties of this species, Humulus lupulus, are Amarillo hops. Amarillo hops have a flowery, citrus-like aroma with a medium bittering value that is gaining acceptance as a substitute for Cascade due to its hardy nature. Cascade hops, very successful and well-established American aroma hop developed by Oregon State University's breeding program in 1956 from Fugel and Serebryanka, a Russian variety, but not released for cultivation until 1972. It has a flowery and spicy, citrus-like quality with a slight grapefruit characteristic. Centennial hops, American aroma type variety bred in 1974 and released in September 1990 by St. Kenny and C. E. Zimmerman, the breeders of this variety. Similar to Cascade and Chinook, Centennial is often referred to as a super Cascade, since it has a strong citrus aroma. Chinook hops, this green vine cultivar was released in May 1985 in Washington state and Idaho from a cross between a Petham Golding and a used a selected male, 63012M. Slightly spicy and very piney. Citra hops, Citra brand hops have fairly high alpha acids and total oil contents with a low percentage of Humulone content. Citra brand hops imparts interesting citrus and tropical fruit characters to beer. Crystal hops, an American triploid variety developed in 1993 from Hallertau, Cascade, Brewer's Gold and Early Green. It is spicier than Hallertau, cinnamon, black pepper, and nutmeg. CTZ hops, Columbus hops rank high on the bittering scale, yet is also valued for its oil content, which creates a hop that is an interesting dichotomy of sharp and herbal. Fuggle hops, this variety was noticed growing wild in the hop garden of George Stace Moore's house at Hosmondon in Kent, England in 1861. In 1875 it was introduced by Richard Fuggle, who lived in the village of Brenchley, and hence it was called Fuggle. The aroma is earthier and less sweet than Kent Goldings. Golding hops, flowery tones that have produced some of England's best bitters. Magnum hops, a high alpha acid bittering hop with mild flavor and low aromatic characteristics. Mosaic hops, Mosaic's brand HBC 369 CV is a daughter of the YCR 14 CV hop variety and a nugget-derived male. It has high alpha acids and tropical, blueberry, tangerine, floral, and earthy aromas. Hood hops, Mount Hood Rhizome is a Hallertau triploid hybrid with good yield, good vigor. Mount Hood is a half-sister to Ultra, Liberty and Crystal. Northern Brewer hop, grown in Europe and America as a dual-purpose hop, but mainly used for bittering in combination with other hops. Nugget hops, floral, resiny aroma and flavor. It is primarily a bittering hop. Pull hops, German dual-purpose hop. Often used in combination with other hops. Spicy and slightly floral, fruity. Saz hops, an aromatic blend of earth and spice with a low bittering value. Simcoe hops, Simcoe brand hops boasts several different aromas including passion fruit, pine, earthy, and citrus, and also has strong bittering qualities. It is used extensively in the craft and home brewing industry. Tardif de Bourgogne hops, French hop, used as an aromatic in continental lagers. Willamette hops, the king of aroma hops in the U.S. with its modest bittering value and sublime blend of flowers, fruit, earth and spice notes. Please share, like and subscribe.